Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Pixel Fold protective cases 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Are you excited about the latest addition to Google's smartphone lineup, the Pixel Fold? If you're planning to get your hands on one, you're probably already aware of the hefty price tag that comes with it. However, investing in a good protective case can go a long way in keeping your shiny new phone safe from accidental damage. That's why we've put together a list of the best Pixel Fold protective cases available in the market. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top picks for the best Pixel Fold protective cases. I have prepared this video guide for the best Pixel Fold protective cases 2023, so let's get started. 5. VRS Terra Guard Case. One of the standout features of this case is its durable hinge cover. The hinge cover ensures that your phone is securely held in place and prevents it from slipping out of the case. This feature is particularly important for people who are always on the go and need their phone to be protected at all times. Another great feature of the case is its convenient wallet feature. The case has two card compartments where you can store your credit cards, ID, and other important cards. This feature eliminates the need for carrying a separate wallet and makes it easy to access your cards whenever you need them. The case is also designed to be stylish and luxurious. It is made from high-quality materials that are both durable and visually appealing. The case has a modern, neat style that will complement any outfit or style. 4. Viatel Case. The Viatel Pixel Fold wallet case offers top-notch protection for your Google Pixel Fold phone. The soft push shock absorption and raised 4 anti-collision corners effectively absorb and disperse 99% of the impact force, protecting your phone against drops and bumps. The upgraded hinge cover provides extra sturdy protection and grip, ensuring that your phone stays safe and secure at all times. Made of the highest quality materials, the hinge protection is designed to last. In addition, this case also comes with a screen protector and 2mm raised edge, providing double layer protection for your Google Pixel Fold screen. This guards against scratches and broken screens without compromising sensitivity. And let's not forget about the camera. The raised backplate with a maximum height of 3mm protects the camera of your Google Pixel Fold. This feature is especially useful when placing your phone on a desktop, as it effectively protects the camera screen against scratches. 3. Poetic Spartan Case. One of the great features of this case is its built-in pull-out kickstand, which allows for hands-free viewing in both portrait and landscape mode. Whether you're watching a movie or video chatting with friends, the kickstand makes it easy to do so without having to hold your phone the entire time. The military-grade drop-tested case also comes with a built-in screen protector, which helps to remove any air bubbles and keep your screen scratch-resistant. You won't have to worry about any scratches or nicks ruining your phone's display, and the screen protector won't affect your phone's responsiveness. If you're looking for a case that offers maximum protection for your Google Pixel Fold, look no further than the Poetic Spartan case. This full-body, hybrid shock-proof protective rugged cover offers military-grade protection with its hinge protection and built-in screen protector. Plus, the kickstand feature makes it easy to use your phone hands-free in any mode you prefer. 2. VRS Simply Fit Case. One of the standout features of the Simply Fit case is its spring-loaded auto hinge cover. This innovative design effectively covers your device's hinge, protecting it from scratches and dirt. No more worrying about damaging your device's hinge. The Simply Fit case has you covered. In addition to its impressive protective features, the case also boasts a simple and trendy design that will make your device stand out. With its optimized design, this case not only looks great but also provides the ultimate protection for your device. 1. Casiology Parallax. The Casiology Parallax is made with dual protection in mind, using TPU and polycarbonate materials to create a full-body protective case. The TPU material provides a soft and flexible layer that absorbs shock and prevents scratches, while the polycarbonate material adds a hard and durable layer that enhances the overall protection of your device. Despite its superior protection, the Casiology Parallax maintains a slim and flawless design that perfectly complements the Google Pixel Fold. The 3D ergonomic design is both functional and stylish, providing a comfortable grip while adding a sophisticated look to your device. So guys, this was the video about the best Pixel Fold protective cases 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.